Amber Alert has been issued at the request of the Irving Police Department. Irving Police are looking for Serenity Berry, a 7-month-old black baby girl. Serenity was last seen wearing a white onesie when she was taken from the 2900 block of West Pioneer by who police say was her mother, Jocelyn Nicole Bridges, a 35-year-old woman. Jocelyn was last seen wearing a multicolored shirt with blue jean leggings. Jocelyn's hair color is black with brown highlights, and she is currently wearing it braided. Irving police say Bridges was driving a blue 2011 Ford Focus with Texas license plate MGP 8642. Again, that's Texas license plate MGP 8642. If you have any information, call the Irving Police Department or 911.